Hey guys, we are with Gary Shirk, president of FirePro. He's gonna demonstrate or take inside one of his products, so let's see what he says.
Hi, I'm Gary from FirePro, as Sid said, and we're just ready to dig in and open this 2-pack. We're actually going to be using one of these in a fire demo outside, so I'm just going to open both of them. One of them we're going to use, the other one we'll just have on display here. So we have them inside 2 boxes and then the shrink wrap. Here's the equipment mounting bracket. So this one is the 1 liter. And this is how it would get mounted on your piece of equipment. Mount the bracket first and then there you go. So just like all the other cold fire or FirePro extinguishers, they're good for type A, B, D, and K fires. So it's an excellent choice for things like trucks, tractors. We got one for your truck here and one for your tractor. So I think with that, we're ready to head outside and do the actual fire, and then we'll come back in and I'll tear into the extinguisher and show you all the parts that we're gonna tear down into this and take the head apart. All right, so what we have going on here is we've got plastic. There's some magnesium in the pipe that I threw down the pipe, about 2 hands full or so. And then there were some plastic pots and a whole bunch of printer paper. And this inside of these pipes are actually lined with printer paper because I was trying to get a fire all the way from the bottom to the top here. And I'm not seeing a ton of smoke up here, so I can't tell if it's burning. But what I was trying to show is how when I spray in here, it's actually going to expand 1,600 times as well as cool down the hot surfaces. So that's what I was hoping to do is put the fire out that's down here and all the way through the burning pipe. So I think with that, I'm ready to hit it. So I'm gonna pull the twist and pull the pin, and there you have it. Might see a little bit of a flare up because of the magnesium, but here goes. See, that's a flare up. I put in 2. Just seconds ago, that would have been really, really hot yet. So there you have it.
That's FirePro's power. Hey guys, we're FirePro, so Gary's gonna show what parts are in the fire extinguishers, and he will take them apart and explain what anything means with respect to how a fire extinguisher works. So take it on, Gary.
All right, so I'm gonna take the nozzle off. That one's hand tightened with an O-ring. We just got done using this extinguisher outside, as you've probably seen in one of the videos or in this video. And then I'm gonna turn the head off. This is exactly how you would do a refill. Actually, maybe I should just release some more pressure. This one we just used and I still had some pressure, and I should have released the pressure earlier. So out comes the stainless steel tube. There's a filter down here. And next what I'm gonna do is turn off the Schrader valve cap. Kind of hard to see that one with all the cold fire. Next I'm going to take apart the dip tube to kind of get into the head a little bit. As you can see, there's Loctite in here. This piece comes apart pretty hard. Some red Loctite. So this part of the disassembling you would never do. I just wanted to go into the parts to show how heavy duty it is. Like that is a heavy duty stainless steel rod or dip tube, and that's a plastic filter. So on this one, this is the piece that I'm probably the most proud of. This one here is built super heavy, and not all extinguishers have that piece built that heavy. So here again, just to show the powerful Loctite. I might have to go on the cement down here. Might not even be able to. I'm actually not able to. Yeah, this one I can't get apart. Just goes to show the Loctite. But I was going to pull out there's a spring in here, and then in the back here you can see the plunger. This one actually is all stainless steel, even the plunger is stainless steel on this one. Here you have the O-ring and the gauge. So I don't have the tools to take the gauge off at the moment. So But yeah, this piece here is built very heavy, and in some extinguishers, if this piece isn't built super heavy, what can happen is this piece could snap off, and then your dip tube wouldn't be going down into the cold fire or into the suppressant anymore. So just wanted to show how heavy that's built. Could maybe show just the parts. So normally the equipment mounting bracket would come along. That's included in the 2-pack here for both extinguishers. And then the hook would be something you would have to request if you needed to mount into, if you want to do a wall mount here. So you would hook into the back of this. And I don't have any of those hooks at the moment, so I think that wraps it up pretty well. One other thing that I'll point out yet is this one is glow in the dark, and this one is a reflector strip. Both of them are super high quality and really help you find it and program your subconscious mind where you've got your stuff located. So I think that wraps it up.
All right, thanks, Gary.